Even though WordPress comes with a lot of useful tools and features, sometimes there's a need to add even more options. This is what plugins are all about. WordPress plugins allow you to easily modify, customize, and enhance your WordPress website. Instead of changing the core programming of WordPress, plugins allow you to add functionality by installing a program or a set of one or more functions written in the PHP scripting language that can be easily integrated with your site. There are hundreds of thousands of plugins available to WordPress, which can add many new features with just a few clicks. The Installed Plugins subpanel under Plugins in the main navigation is where you can view the plugins that are currently installed on your WordPress website. From this subpanel, you can choose which plugins you want to activate or deactivate. The Akismet plugin is installed by default. This plugin allows you to protect your website against spam comments. To activate this plugin, you first need to sign up for an Akismet API key. Once you have that key, enter it in the settings page. To add a new plugin, click on the Add New Plugins subpanel. The process of searching and uploading plugins is very similar to the way you search or upload for new themes. From this page, you can search for plugins in the WordPress plugin directory. You can view featured, popular, new, or the most recently updated plugins. If you bought or downloaded a plugin from another website, you can upload it by clicking on the upload link and then locating the zip file in your computer. You can search for a plugin by keyword, by author, or by tag. For this example, try searching for a plugin called Image Widget. In the search results, look for the image widget. You can click on details to view more information about this plugin, such as when the plugin was last updated and what version of WordPress is compatible with. You also will see an average user rating and the number of users who have rated this plugin. The first tab of this pop-up window shows the description of the plugin. You can also see installation instructions, which most of the time you won't need, since WordPress will automatically install it for you. You can also see screenshots of the plugin so you can get a better idea of how this plugin will work once you install it. The Changelog tab shows the changes that were made with each update to the plugin. The FAQ tab shows frequently asked questions about the plugin, and the Other Notes tab shows additional information for this plugin that might be useful for you. If you want to install this plugin, click on the red Install Now button. Your new plugin will then be automatically downloaded and installed. Click on Activate Plugin to activate it. Next, we can go to the Widget subpanel under Appearance and drag and drop our newly added image widget to any of the widgetized areas. Title your widget if you like, and click on the Add Image button. You can add an image by selecting one from your computer or from your media library, just as you would if you were adding it to a page or a post. Once you've added your image, click on Insert to Widget. You will now see a preview of the image you uploaded to your widget. Then, you can add a caption to this image if you like. You could also make this image into a link, and you could set it to open in a new window. You can scale the image, but doing so might distort it or pixelate it. Add alternate text if you like, and click Save. If I go to the public view of my WordPress website, you will see the image on my sidebar, and clicking on the image will open a new window and take me to the Facebook homepage. This is just one of many plugins you can add to enhance your website. I would recommend checking out the most popular plugins to see what other people are finding useful, and install the ones that you think will work best for your site. One thing to keep in mind is that installing too many plugins might slow down your website, and some plugins might conflict with one another and cause problems. I would recommend you sticking to just necessary plugins to make your website work. In the next video in this training series, I will be going over the Tools subpanel.